Hi mga ka-vlog ko, this is Elena Trapero Mendigo. This is Yu Onsen guys, no, located in the Kumano, Nosato area. Ito pong because the weather is getting cold here in Japan, we need to go to onsen again. Ayan, tuwing winter po, nagpupunta kami talaga ng mga onsen, ayan, or hot spring kung tawagin sa English. You can relax and they also have food guys, Dito po yung they also have sauna bath where you can warm up or sweat. Natural water flowing directly. Ito po yung ating restaurant guys. Pwede kayo dyan mag-relax at pwede tayo ditong kumain kung gusto nyo. Ayan po yung kanyang view ng restaurant. Ayan po ang ating makikita sa ating restaurant. Ayan, napakaganda po ng kanilang view. Ayan, meron po silang ganyan. At dito po guys, pagka pumasok kayo, ang shoes nyo iiwan po sa entrance. Kaya naka-socks lang po tayo dito. Ayan ko po ang kanilang mga menu guys. They have a food. Ayan. O, diba napakaganda at magre-relax kayo. Ito to ang ating key para sa ating locker. Ayan po ang kanyang locker. Thank you guys for watching.